Hey, seventh graders, this is just a quick explanation of what you need to do with the sub tomorrow for this activity card for Spheros. So you and your partner are going to come up with two activity cards. There's one on each side of the page that you have. And first you're going to put your names. So here, I'm going to bring that up, Mrs. Connell. And then you're going to be writing with your pencil. I would recommend pencil, please. You are going to circle what type of coding. I'm going to choose blacks. I'm going to choose city. And then I'm going to, in two complete sentences with capital letters at the beginning, periods at the end, sentences that make sense, I'm going to explain what the activity goal is. So my activity goal is the robot needs to run errands after school with the robot mama. Program the robot to go from school to two places after school. Sorry, let's say three places after school. So I'm actually gonna go like that, so that makes a little more sense. Maybe like that. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to, let's see if I can do this. Oh, I guess I can't. Hold on. And then down here is where I describe the steps for the activity, or I can even draw if I want to do some code blocks. So I could add, something that says, first place the robot on the school. And then down here, pull that up. Next, code the robot to go from the school to the library. Add a delay block to stop. And then I'd keep going and say, go from the library to the police station or whatever. So when I'm done with that one, then I will go down and do my second one. And maybe this one, instead of city, I decide I want to do a golf game or a space game or a soccer game. So that's what you will be doing for most of class today. But I also want to show you one other thing. Now I'm on the edu.sphero.com website, so you guys can go to this, and I will actually include this in a message to your whole class through Schoology. You can go to that website, click sign in, and you're going to join your class just like you would on the iPad. So you'll enter your class code. I'm going to, for now, just enter the class code for Miss Keaton's class. But you should either do Miss Keaton or Miss McDonough. And I'm choosing myself from the list since I already have an account. So Mrs. C, confirm. So then I'm back into my account. And so if you have any extra time, you can go in here and do some coding. So I would scroll down, and I can click Create Program, and you can even test out a code or start setting up a code anyways for, errands after school. I can try out, and I'm going to do block coding. I'm going to click Sphero Bolt. I probably unclick that and click Create. And then you can start doing some coding to at least get it ready, so then when you have a chance to try your activity next week, you will have some coding already ready. So I will pull up that, and like I said, I'm going to add a delay block. So I would start at the school, and I don't know exactly what direction or how far away it is. So I might just put some coding in there for now. And then I get to the school, maybe I want to stay or at the library for 2 seconds. And then I'm going to add another roll block from the library to the police station or whatever. And then another delay block at the police station. Add all my coding. So then next week you'll be able to try it sooner. I hope that helps. Be good for the sub.